What's up? How are you doing? Wagwan. This morning is Saturday morning, so I decide I'm going to make some peanut porridge. So here I have the green peanut. I have some coconut milk. I have some water. I have some vanilla. I have some salt. I have some nutmeg and some cinnamon and my whisk. And yeah, let's get started on this video. So the reason for the coconut milk is because you want it to be rich and nice, and when you're making Jamaican thing, you know, put your coconut milk inside it, because the coconut milk are gonna make it bad. So we are using this coconut milk today, the powder. We don't have a fresh one, so we're using what we have. But if you have a fresh one, go ahead and use it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this packet, I'm going to pour it inside here, and I'm going to whisk it out with the whisk, and I'm going to add it to the peanut, blend it up, and then add it to the pot over there. So I'm just adding it, the whole pack, to the water, like so. Then I'm going to get my whisk, and I'm going to whisk it. Whisk it out. And that's about good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here and put it right here, and I'm going to add my peanuts. I'm using a cup of peanut today. So here I have a cup of peanuts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it to the coconut milk, like so. And then I'm going to close my NutriBullet, and I'm going to blend it up. Here I have a pot with some water already boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some cinnamon, about a tablespoon of cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon inside my porridge. I like the flavor, the cinnamon leaf, the dry cinnamon, any one of them. I'm going to add some vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla also. Then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to open my NutriBullet, and guys, this is how you want it to be: thick, rich, and nice. Make sure you blend it out as smooth as possible as you can, and then you're going to take your whisk and you're going to pour it inside of the pot, just like that. The coconut milk and the peanut, and you're just going to continue whisk it until it gets thick, come to a boil and get thickened by the peanut itself. So as you can see, we have some more inside the cup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit more water to it, because you don't want none waste. You want all of your peanut inside your pot, and you're just going to shake it around like so. Shake it around and pour it inside it. Yeah. And then you're going to continue whisk it until it gets thickened and come to a boil. You should smell the peanut inside this. It smells so good. So good. Meanwhile, it's there coming to a boil. I'm going to add me a pinch of salt to it. So the salt can cook meanwhile inside of the porridge, building some flavors. Let's give that a good whisk again and leave it to boil. Okay guys, so the porridge is finished now. You see, look at that guys, look how beautiful that peanut porridge is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my condensed milk and I'm going to pour it inside it. About a half of condensed milk inside a porridge. I'm going to also add some carnation milk to it, and I'm going to whisk it in. I'm going to get me some nutmeg and I'm going to grate the nutmeg inside the porridge, just like that. See how much nutmeg I put, guys? Yes! Yes, sir! And whisk it in. Turn off my heat now. And I'm going to pour myself a bowl of this peanut porridge. Okay guys, so I'm just going to pour. Look how thick this look, guys. Look at that. So I'm just going to pour me a bowl of this delicious peanut porridge. Yes, sir. And because I want you guys to know what inside of the bowl, I'm going to add some peanut on top. Just, oh, it's falling inside. Just like that. Remember guys, to like, to share, to subscribe, to tell a friend about us at Shakima at Home, to comment below, to press that thumbs up. Give us likes, guys, and remember, in everything you do, put God first.